just feels like आपको उस गलती की सजा मिली है जो आपने की भी नहीं है.
A lot of people called her fake, including me.
She is very fake. She is double-faced. She's acting, and there's a lot of negativity. I just feel that these are traits of a weak person, and I feel sorry for her.
When Salman took your stand and you got to know these horrible things, what was going on?
That was a very dark phase in my life. As teenagers, obviously, you're conscious of your body. Plus, I was on screen, going in front of the camera, and things just amplified. She did not apologize.
She didn't till
She
today.
didn't apologize.
Wow.
Yeah, she is like, नहीं आपको sorry बुलवाना है तो मैं रोज आके आपको sorry बोल दूंगी. And I was like, don't act in front of me. My friends came and told me, GK came and told me, but he never told me that उसको लगी है. He came and he told me तूने मारा है, तूने मारा है. And I was like, I won't accept something that you're saying क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैंने intentionally नहीं मारा उसको. What hurts more is that you call me your friend, and we were a part of the same group. Everyone has their individuality. No one's there to be in anybody's shadow. तूने मारा है. That was actually in response to me and Pranit questioning him.
Yeah.
Playing safe. ठीक है उनका game है. I just felt hurt. I felt hurt.
Abhishek has been your true friend.
Yes.
I'm sure he would have been so angry.
He was very upset. And he was the first person to come and meet me when I came out of the house.
They want you guys to date and all of that.
कुछ relations इतने perfect होते हैं या इतने pure होते हैं that आप उसके साथ छेड़छाड़ी नहीं करना चाहते.
We have often heard that no matter how many good things you do, sometimes that one unfortunate bad thing that you do, maybe unintentionally, is something that ruins things for you. And that is exactly what's happened with Ashnoor Kaur, who has had a great journey in the Big Boss 19 house. But sadly, she's out of it just before the finale week. And her fans are very sad. We will know from you, Ashnoor. How do you feel, though?
I am equally sad. Very disheartened, honestly. Because, it just feels like आपको उस गलती की सजा मिली है जो आपने की भी नहीं है. It was unintentional. I said that on Weekend ka War. I said that before leaving the house, and I still stand by it because I know my intentions, and I am sorry about the fact that unintentionally I hurt her, but it was just a little sudden for me to kind of, because the journey really ended abruptly, and it was unexpected. It was shocking. Yeah, I feel
Do you
bad.
think this happened with Mridul? I asked him the same question that he had a huge vote bank.
Yes.
So did you.
Yeah.
A lot of people were supporting you outside. We know the Twitter trends, right?
Yes.
Do you think this was done to make somebody else the winner? In his case, I took GK's name. I will stand by it. I still feel that, some favoritism is happening. And because of that, to reduce the vote bank, because you would not go out voting के through, right? तो कैसे भी करके हटा दिया. Like मृदुल का भी बहुत abrupt और मुझे unreal लगा था. Similarly, I feel about you.
Definitely it was not about the voting, because I came out and I saw all the support, all the love that had been pouring in, and I would say it was just very unfortunate that this decision had to be taken, and I just really wish I could have seen the finale week.
What is your view on Tanya? We were inside for the media round recently on Saturday, and a lot of people called her fake, including me. My question was that Tanya is fake, and we are all feeling that way. You were inside, so you are a better judge. How do you feel about her?
I think a lot of people also got that clip wherein Tanya had written her name with the twigs, and I changed that and I wrote fake.
Yeah.
So I guess that speaks for itself. She is very fake. She is double-faced. She's acting, and there's a lot of negativity. And that's the reason since day one we've never really gotten along, because I'm the kind of person, whether positive or negative, I'm on the face. If I don't like someone, I don't like someone, and that's very evident. Be it me and Tanya, me and Farhana, or even me and Malti towards the end for that matter. She, on the other hand, is very sweet on your face, then she'd go back, talk things. I just feel that these are traits of a weak person, and I feel sorry for her.
She pretends to be a person who supports women empowerment, but a girl's girl would never put another woman down on the basis of looks and, you know, how thin or fat she is. These are things we learn at home at a very
Yes.
young stage. She did not insult you, honestly. She just showed what she really stands for, and
Yeah.
she made 1,000 women feel bad, maybe who are
Yes.
not as confident as us, maybe
Yes.
who took that to heart.
Yeah.
She really pinpointed that, and she
Yeah.
was bashed a lot in the media
Yeah.
round for that. I wish you were there to see
Yeah.
how much support media gave to you while they were questioning again and again about what she did to you.
Yeah.
At that point, when Salman took your stand and you got to know these
Yeah.
horrible things,
Yeah.
what was going on? Because you got very vulnerable.
Of course. I'm still getting goosebumps. Um, See, honestly, that was a very dark phase in my life. As teenagers, obviously,
Yeah.
you're conscious of your body. Plus, I was on screen, growing in front of the camera, and things just amplified.
Yeah.
You know, and you always look more than what you are on screen.
Yes, you do.
So it was a very tough time for me, and I healed. I started loving myself, but that incident, I don't know what happened. It just all got triggered,
Yeah.
and it was really bad. And the reason I spoke about my journey was what you just mentioned, that she made thousands of people feel bad about themselves. So I just wanted them to know that you're not alone. You know, body positivity needs to be talked about. Body positivity needs to emerge, because there's so many people who are conscious of their body, but I just feel that भगवान ने ही बनाया यार.
Yeah.
You know, and your body is your temple, it's your home. It does so much for you. ठीक है, you know, you need to take care of it. You need to eat right, work out, all of that you can do in your hands. But if there's something out of your hand, if there's a medical condition, you can't really do anything about it. But at the end of the day, you just need to own it up. Like, ठीक है तो है. You know, and there's no need to compare yourself to these unrealistic beauty
Yeah.
standards, because that's just all made up. There's an entire industry running because people want to achieve those unrealistic
True.
beauty standards, but they're called unrealistic for a reason. So जो real body है उसमें रहो and enjoy करो.
No, kudos to you for sharing about your journey, because a lot of people wanted to hear that.
Yeah.
You know, of course, it's sad you went through it, but at least you were real about it.
Yes.
What was very funny was after that, she went and said sorry to Abhishek,
Yeah.
who had nothing to do with this entire thing.
Yeah.
And I didn't hear her direct apology. Maybe it wasn't shown. I don't know.
No, she did not apologize.
She didn't till
She
today.
didn't apologize.
Wow.
Yeah, she just said that मैंने सलमान सर के सामने sorry बोल दिया था, this and that, and then she went on and said sorry to Abhishek, because apparently her explanation was that he felt bad, which is fine. That's her call, but she never came and talked to me directly. Neelam, on the other hand, she came and she directly apologized. Shehbaz came and he clarified his thing. But that woman, even when I questioned her, she was like, नहीं आपको sorry बुलवाना है तो मैं रोज आके आपको sorry बोल दूंगी. And I was like, don't act in front of me. ठीक है आप सॉरी बोल रहे हो, ठीक है एक्सेप्टेड, बट आई एम जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो दैट आपने मुझ पे अटैक नहीं किया, आपने उन सब पे अटैक किया, एंड आई एम जस्ट स्पीकिंग फॉर देम.
That is so true. When you had to leave abruptly, she kept saying, "I feel bad," and you know, मेरे वजह से वो चली गई. She came and told that to you also. She was on the verge of crying when she was doing all that. What did you think about that?
Just one word: fake. And I'll be very honest about that. Obviously, I feel bad that she got hurt because of me, and I'm really sorry about that. That unintentionally I did hurt her. I did not know about that until Weekend Ka War happened, because you know, even on Weekend Ka War it was pointed out that my friends came and told me, GK came and told me, but he never told me that usko lagi hai.
Lagi hai.
He came and he told me तूने मारा है, and I was like, I won't accept something that you're saying, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैंने intentionally नहीं मारा उसको. On Weekend Ka War, I got to know that okay, GK also gave her a roll on and all of that stuff. So that was the first time I got to know about that. So that being said, and you know, my apologies on one hand, but I just feel since day one, what I thought about her fakeness, about her narratives, about her portrayal and projection of a certain image that she's not, that remains as it is.
a lot of people are also disappointed in how Gaurav handled the situation, because after you left he kept saying वो मेरे shadow में दिख रही थी इसीलिए उसने मेरी advice नहीं ली. I don't think that is what was going on in your
Yeah.
mind, because if it was unintentional from your end आप उतना सोचोगे ही क्यों?
Of course.
Were you also a little hurt by how things unfolded after you left?
100%. 100%. And you know what hurts more is that you call me your friend, you know, and we were a part of the same group. Everyone has their individuality. No one's there to be in anybody's shadow. No one is there to just listen to anything you say without using their brains. And even the conversation that we actually had, where he pointed out that tune mara hai, that was actually in response to me and Pranit questioning him.
Yeah, we saw that.
Playing safe. ठीक है उनका गेम है, that's his call, but I just felt hurt. I felt hurt.
You know, this last 1 week we saw a lot of rage from your end. I don't know if half the things were not shown.
Yeah.
You are at a better place to tell me that, but we saw that you were, you know, constantly going and poking Tanya. That is what was shown to us, but I heard in another interview you
Yeah.
said the exact opposite of it.
Yeah.
What was actually going on?
See, it started off when Rohit sir came and he told me on Weekend Kawar before the family week that, you know, Ashnu, you need to speak more. Like you're putting out your points, but you need to elaborate them. And you need to kind of be more vocal about it. So that happened. And then, of course, Dad came. So I kind of also emotionally vented out. So I got an emotional charge from him that, okay, Dad's there, he's happy, everything's happy, so it's good. So I would now implement what Rohit sir asked me to do. Following the following weeks, there was so many provocative gestures from Tanya. There was so much poking from them. And that has not been shown. Only my reactions are being shown. The actions are not shown, because I also understand that probably, you know, there's a certain time limit that you have and you cannot put in everything from the day in one single episode. So no blaming, but I did realize that the audience did not get to see what was happening to me. The audience only got to see how I was reacting.
Abhishek has been your true friend. What
Yes.
was, I'm sure he would have been so angry when you came out, but what was his
He was.
reaction?
He was very upset. He was very upset. And he was the first person to come and meet me when I came out of the house. And I think these are the things that really matter, you know. When you share a true friendship with someone and your friend is feeling low, you would probably go and make them feel better. And that's what he did. And he's always done that. He's always stood by me. And both of us really value and we really cherish the bond that we share.
You know, your fans love the two of you together so much that they start, sort of linking the two of you and saying that they want you guys to date and all of that. This is a very personal decision that you make, and if you ever make. But what do you have to tell about these things that happen, fans, you know, linking up you guys, both of you?
Yeah, we're best friends. We were best friends, we are best friends. And I just think that, you know, कुछ रिलेशंस इतने परफेक्ट होते हैं या इतने प्योर होते हैं दैट आप उसके साथ छेड़ाछाड़ी नहीं करना चाहते. यू जस्ट थिंक दैट इट्स करेक्ट द वे दे आर. So you don't want to do anything else with that, because the bond that we share, as I just mentioned, both of us really value it. There's a lot of respect, a lot of platonic admiration for each other, and we just got each other's back. And I think I really value that, and I really, really value our friendship.
You know, Ashnoor, you have proven that maturity has nothing to do with the age that you are at, because you've handled every situation thrown at you very gracefully, even the abrupt ending very gracefully. So, you know, you've shown so many young girls how to actually live life. But thank you so much for joining, and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Most
Thank
welcome.
you. Hi, it's Ashnoor Kaur, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz.